Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Quran Weekly. This is Abdul Nasir Janga with another Ramadan pro tip. I have a very fascinating one for you today. It might seem a little bit overwhelming, or it might seem kind of like a huge tip, but nevertheless, I'd like to go ahead and share it with you because the Prophet ﷺ shared it with all of us. In a beautiful hadith of Bukhari and Muslim, the Prophet of Allah ﷺ, he says, Al-Umratu fi Ramadan ta'adilu hajjatan. And in another narration, the Prophet ﷺ says, ta'adilu hajjatan ma'i. The Prophet ﷺ says, doing Umrah in the month of Ramadan is equal to doing a Hajj in terms of reward. And in another narration that is just mind-blowing, the Prophet ﷺ says, doing Umrah in the month of Ramadan is like doing Hajj with me, with the Prophet ﷺ. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ. In the Quran, Allah tells us to fulfill Hajj and Umrah. Umrah is something that is a very important event that should take place in the life of a believer if Allah has granted, a man or a woman the capacity to be able to do the Umrah. And then Umrah in the month of Ramadan is a life-changing experience. And the Prophet ﷺ gives us a huge reward for it. A woman came to the Prophet ﷺ and she said, I wanted to come and perform the Hajj when you led the Hajj, O Messenger of God, but my husband was not able to take me along with him, and I feel bad like I missed out. And the Prophet ﷺ told her, do Umrah in the month of Ramadan and it'll be just like doing Hajj with me. So inshallah, I know it might seem like kind of a big deal to a lot of folks, but you know what? Nothing is out of the capacity of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So put your mind to it, make dua, start setting money aside, and make the intention to do Umrah in the month of Ramadan. That's a Ramadan pro tip. Subscribe to Quran Weekly to get more Ramadan pro tips. I'll see y'all next time. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.